Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel an Easyjet flight. So if you have an Easyjet flight ticket, here's exactly what you can do to cancel that thing. Let's say for one reason or the other, you're not satisfied with the flight, or you mistakenly booked a flight and you just want to cancel it. Here's what you can do. The first thing you should do is to launch your Easyjet application, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and in the search bar of your browser type easyjet.com, and that's going to take you to the official website. Once you get in there, at the top right corner, where then click on the sign in feature, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Click on create account and follow through the on-screen prompts, fill out the information and create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to cancel an easy flight ticket. From your home screen, at the top right corner, you're going to find these tabs, which include flight info, holidays, cars, and transfers bookings, booking.com, business, and manage bookings. So go to the manage bookings tab, and once you come over here, you're going to click on view bookings. So you're supposed to see your bookings here, flight, holidays. Right here it says I have no booking. So once you have booked a flight, you're going to see your booked flight in this window. You're going to find it right here in this window. So how can you cancel that flight? Here is exactly what you should do to cancel that flight. Now, if you cancel within 24 hours of making the booking, you get a full refund minus a cancellation fee. You should know that. And they say cancellation can be done via managed booking, which of course I took you to. Okay, so all you just need to do is to locate your, so once you head over to manage your booking, all right, and you see your flight, so go ahead and click on that flight, and you see an option for you to cancel the booking. All right, so just go ahead and click on cancel booking and follow through with the on-screen instructions to cancel your booking. So these are a few things that you should know. If you do not fly, you are entitled to a refund of some government taxes, and Easyjet will be happy to process the refund for you. And please note that bookings for car rental, hotel insurance are generally subject to different cancellation policies and need to be cancelled directly with the provider unless they were booked at the same time as your flight and appear on the booking confirmation. So that is it. So just head over to my booking. Here we are. And from my booking, you can do a lot of things from here. Locate your booking, and you're going to find the cancel feature right next to your booking. So click on that, and once you click on cancel, follow through with the on-screen prompt to cancel your booking. All right, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.